Hello，各位同學，大家好。Proofreading 應該係各位同學最驚、最想逃避嘅其中一個考試題型之一。每一次學校老師大約出5至10題，都有好多同學仔連一半嘅錯處都揾唔到。如果你係做 proofreading 毫無頭緒，唔知道用啲咩方法技巧，亦都好想逃避呢個 proofreading 嘅話，同學仔呢條影片咧，你一定要同我睇晒佢。呢個影片咧 ，Miss Isabel 會帶住大家一齊完成一份嘅 proofreading 練習。我喺呢個練習裏邊咧，會示範一下俾各位同學仔睇，究竟老師出呢個 proofreading，究竟佢用啲咩招數嘅？我哋一齊拆老師嘅招數咧。好啦，咁喺開始課堂之前咧，各位同學喺以下連結 download 翻呢一份嘅筆記喎。好啦，咁 download 咗出嚟之後咧，你就可以跟 Miss Isabel 一齊睇片上堂啦。好，咁我哋睇下今日呢個 proofreading。究竟我哋需要點樣去揾啲錯處出嚟？指示我哋都要睇得好清楚㗎。好啦，睇睇究竟佢要你做咩咯喎 ？There are some mistakes in the following story. Underline the wrong words 啦。咁錯字咧，你就要間低。咁注意啦，有啲學校老師叫你 circle 嘅喎，咁千祈唔好睇錯指引啦。And write the correct answers in the space provided.For missing words， 咦？今次咧佢話有機會漏字喎。Use the caret sound， 你要加箭嘴。And write the words in the space provided. There is only one mistake in each line. Follow the examples。好啦，咁我哋會有2個嘅例子可以跟一跟啊。好，今次咧呢一個小故事叫做 I have no idea who I am。我唔知我自己係邊個喎。好啦，嗱咁呢篇文章咧，我就攞咗阿 Mr. Bean 做主角。好，咁我哋一齊不如示範睇咗 example 嗰2題，跟住一齊做幾題試下，跟住俾啲時間你自己揾啦，好唔好啊？好啦，睇一睇啦。One summer date date 呢度咧唔合理啊！我哋係想講有一個暑假嘅日子啊嘛，所以我哋呢個 date 要變成 day。Mr. Bean was walking on the street.When he crashed a lamppost， lamppost 係指電燈柱，撞到個電燈柱啦。原來我哋話係撞到一啲嘢咧，我哋會用 crash into， 咁所以呢度係漏咗 preposition 喎。例子嘅呢2題咧，其實正會提醒我哋咧，做 preposition 咧，做 proofreading 咧，我哋要留意 preposition。好啦，大家幫我咁樣 mark 低 preposition， 亦都要留意字嘅選擇 ，the choice of word 就好似第一題為例，佢本身係想表達 day， 但佢用咗 date， 呢啲就係佢用錯咗個字嘅選擇啦。咁呢2個都係常出嘅陷阱之一嚟㗎，咁大家要注意咯喎。好，咁我哋又再睇下1、2、3題咯喎。The next day, he was in a hospital。咁下一日咧，佢知道自己就身處喺醫院啦。Wait， 我哋而家係講緊一個嘅故事喎，咁所以咧，我哋要用到過去式。好啦，將個 no 間住佢，變翻 past tense knew。第3個我哋要知道嘅技巧咧，就係 tense 啦。Proofreading 咧，亦都係好常出咧，就係 tense 嘅錯處嘅。只要你心水清，咁你就可以揾到嗰啲 tense 嘅錯處咯喎。When the people in the hospital asked him who he and what his name was， 呢度漏咗個字嘅，係問佢係邊個啊嘛。咁如果我哋係要問問題嘅話咧，就係 Who are you？ 咁但係呢個係一個直述句嚟嘅喎，陳述句嚟嘅。咁所以咧，我哋就要寫 Who he was， 就唔係 Who was he 啦。咁所以呢個箭嘴嘅放嘅位置咧都好考究啊！如果你寫咗 who 同 he 嘅中間就唔啱啦。好啦，繼續做多2題，跟住你自己試下揾啦。Mr. Bean told that he had no idea what they were talking。好啦，呢度咧好似好難啊，但係咧我哋去翻呢一個嘅 choice of word， 佢又揀錯咗字啦。其實佢係想講佢冇 idea 嘛。Told 係告訴，但係你要注意 told 後邊咧，其實係要跟人物，譬如 told me、told them、told her、told the doctors。咁但係呢度 佢係冇嘢錯，冇後邊冇嘢喎。咁所以呢度咧，我哋就要將佢改另外一個詞語啦，將佢改為 said 説啊，咁就可以啦。因為 said 嘅後邊就唔需要有人物咯喎。咁但係咧，有啲同學話我有另外一個改法，加箭嘴得唔得啊？Mr. Bean told them that 同佢哋講，咁都合理喎。咁所以咧，另外一個改法咧，你一係加個箭嘴，變成加個 them 落去，咁都可以嘅。好啦，咁啊同佢哋講啦，佢唔知道發生咩事啊，唔知道佢講緊啲乜嘢啊。What are they talking？ 呢度漏咗 preposition 啦。好啦 ，talking 後邊咧，我哋要配 about， 因為佢係想講緊啲乜嘢，關於什麼，漏咗個 about 嘅。好，咁啊第5題去到第14題，不如 Miss Isabel 俾少少時間你幫我揾錯處出嚟啊！千祈唔好放棄，我哋一定要練習一下嘅。好，咁啊而家我俾3分鐘各位，咁大家咧可以將呢個影片暫停3分鐘，然之後 Miss Isabel 會講解答案。3分鐘嘅時限夠啦，我哋而家講下答案啦。去到第5題，咦，俾咗個少少 tips 你哋喎，就係 has 錯咗，知唔知點解啊？我哋要留意一下 has 前邊嘅 must 係乜嘢嚟嘅咧 ？must 我哋會叫佢做 modal verb 情態動詞。情態動詞嘅後邊咧係再唔需要有任何嘅時式，我哋要跟 bare infinitives， 所以咧呢個 has 就要轉翻做 have 咯。None of the doctors knew to treat Mr. Bean。冇醫生咧能夠知道點樣去醫治啊 Mr. Bean 啊。怎樣去醫治？呢度漏咗詞語喎，我哋要將 new 同 to 嘅中間加翻個 how to treat。They went to the libraries, look at some books and talk about the problems。好啦，呢度咧我哋要注意啦。喺一開波嘅時候，咪講過 preposition， 亦都係經常出現嘅一個嘅找錯處嘅題目之一啊嘛。望 look at 係指望咁解，但係我哋喺上呢一度係表達尋找嘅意思，咁所以呢個 at 就錯咗啦。我哋要將佢變成 for 咯喎。OK，look for some books, and then 4 days without succeed. All the doctors were disappointed。咁啊，所有醫生好失望啦。有咩錯咧？失望係形容詞啱啊 ，doctors 配 were 都正確喎。原來 succeed 就錯咗啦。好啦，嗱呢一個字咧，亦都係好多同學仔會忽略嘅一個詞語啦。咁但係大家都知道 succeed 係指成功啦，但係有冇聽過 successful？ 有冇聽過 success 啊？好啦，咁佢哋係咩關係咧？就係形容詞、動詞同名詞嘅關係啦。咁而呢個 succeed 咧，成功係一個動作嚟嘅。佢話沒有成功，你可唔可以幫我留心一下 succeed 前邊係乜嘢啊？佢係 without 啊。好啦，咁啊 without 係 preposition， 咁所以後邊嘅詞語我哋記得要跟 gerunds 啊。所以呢一題咧，我哋要將個 succeed 變成 succeeding。好啦，到第9題啦。Because no one could thought of a way to treat Mr. Bean， 冇人能夠諗到究竟點樣去醫治佢喎。好啦，同樣啦，我哋有個 could 喺度，亦都係 modal verbs， 所以後邊要點樣啊？不變動詞，將個 thought 變翻做 think。One day, Mr. Bean felt bored。bored 你係想表示沉悶啊嘛，所以你要注意啦。我哋原來亦都要諗下。bored 佢用得啱唔啱？佢用得唔啱？呢度我係想表達個形容詞，形容人嘅心情，我哋就要將佢加個 d 落去啦。bored。So he decided to go down the stairs， 行落樓梯 and take a walk。呢個 take 使咩變成 took 咧？唔需要，因為 decide 後邊有個 to 咧就不變動詞啦。While he going down the stairs。長動作喎，記得 while 要諗清楚啦。佢係想講落樓梯嘅時候，所以呢個 going 前邊漏咗個 was。He slipped and fall, hitting his head against the wall， 又冚頭埋牆啦。但係呢度嘅 fall 串錯咗，我哋要用到過去式 fell， 唔好以為 slip 用咗 past tense 後邊就唔需要啦，後邊都仍然要繼續用嘅。最後2題啦。Surprising, when he woke up, He returned to normal， 恢復正常咯喎。呢度 surprising 錯咗。好啦，當我哋去想表達呢件事情，其實我哋要用個 ever 去形容呢件事。ever 就要將形容詞加 ly 啦。咁所以呢度咧，我哋就要將個 surprising 變成 surprisingly 加個 ly 落去。而去到最後啦 ，remembered anything， 咦 anything 係指任何東西，佢係想表達所有東西㗎嘛，係咪？好啦，而 any 咧好多時候係用喺問問題或者係 no 嘅句子嗰度嘅，咁所以呢度咧，我哋要將個 indefinite pronoun 轉翻一個正確嘅用法 everything。好啦，嗱咁啊14題我哋已經完成咗咯喎，重溫一下其實有啲乜嘢我哋要注意啦。喺找錯處嘅時候，其實大部分嘅錯處咧唔係一啲難字錯嘅，其實基本上咧佢係會錯時式啦，佢會錯 preposition 啦，佢會錯用錯字啦 ，choice of word， 佢亦都有機會係 ever 或者係 adjective 嘅錯嘅。好啦，咁啊，所以大家咧冇乜頭緒嘅時候，不如從呢幾方面去揾咯喎。好啦，咁各位同學，你哋仲有啲乜嘢棘手嘅問題想 Miss Isabel 幫大家？大家可以留言話俾我聽。